Welcome back to again my YouTube channel. To the front of you again, I am going to interact with a student. I think whatever I shall ask with her, anything in English or Hindi, she will answer to me because she is taking the class from a longer time with me, and I think also her English will have to vary better. It was to tell to me what is your real name.
My name is Manisha Kumari.
Which class do you study, Manisha?
Now I am reading in 8th class.
Okay, if I shall ask of you any kinds of the question that related from the parts of the grammar of English, can you answer to me?
Yeah.
Would you like to speak English?
Yeah, I would like.
Okay, when you go to a school at that time, you make interact with any friends in English?
Yeah.
Almost time?
Yeah.
What a few times you practice to talk English with friends?
Always when in my mind come.
Okay, always means when in your mind come at that time, just you start to talk in English with friends.
Yeah.
The friends likes to talk with you in English?
Yeah.
Okay, how many friends do you have? It was you tell me.
5.
You have 5 friends.
Yeah.
Then all those 5 friends are knowing to speaking English,
No.
but one of them means some of them they are knowing.
Yeah.
Okay, then now I'm going on the point. Which point about I have to discuss? Then do you know tense?
Yeah, I know.
How many kinds of tense?
There are 3 kinds of tense.
Can you tell me each name of the tense?
Yeah.
Okay, name.
Present tense, past tense, and future tense.
Okay, do you know to identify rule of present tense, past tense, future tense means how can I recognize of present tense, past tense, future tense?
If any sentence can who, he.
Okay, hi, he, he.
Yeah.
Okay, and
then,
I can understand of that present.
Yeah.
And past, how can I recognize?
If any sentence came tha, the, thi, then I recognize that is past tense.
Okay, and future, how can I know?
If any sentence came ga, ge, gi, then
Means last of any in this sentence comes gagi.
Yeah.
Then I can know that is my future tense. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you tell me how many kinds of present tense?
There are 4 kinds of present tense.
Do you know to each name of that present tense?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me now.
Simple present tense, simple present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense.
Very good, you have correct answer. But I am telling of you, which thing I shall ask of you is that you will have to live in very careful mind. Means you will not have to keep up the minds here and their direction. Okay, you keep up your mind exact on that point. Which point about I am going to discuss. Okay, and which things I am going to ask about of that only you will have to follow, and according that you will have to answer to me, which will be asked by me. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, now I am going on the other points. Okay, do you know some sentences in outdoor tense?
Yeah, I know.
If I shall ask of you any sentences, you can answer me.
Yeah.
Okay, मैं जाने वाला हूँ.
I am to go.
Okay, please you speak too loudly because your voice is not going till my camera. Understanding or not?
Yeah.
And the people who will watch that video, actually that person also will feel to some bad. Means they will feel of that means actually the voice is not coming to clearly. Understanding?
Yeah.
That's why I'm telling of you. Please you speak what you are speaking. That you speak in loud voice. Okay. Then other sentence I am going to have the front of you. You will have to listen carefully and you will have to answer to very sensibly. Okay. Next sentence. मुझे पटना जाना है.
I have to go to Patna.
Okay. मैं पटना जाने वाला था.
I was to go to Patna.
Very good. मुझे पटना जाना होगा.
I will have to go Patna.
I shall have to go to Patna. In simply you can say also that is right. There is not wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
Next sentence. हो सकता है मैं जाऊंगा.
It's happen as well.
हो सकता है मैं जाऊंगा. It's possible.
It's possible I shall go.
Okay. मैं आने वाला था. मैं आने वाला था.
I was to come.
Very good. कलम को कलम कौन कहे उसे पेंसिल भी नहीं है.
Not to speak pen. He has not
पेंसिल इवान. Very good. Nice. Next sentence I am going to ask of you. किताब रहते हुए भी वह नहीं पढ़ा.
Despite of book, he didn't read.
Very good. बुखार रहने के बावजूद भी मैं स्कूल गया.
On account of fever,
I went
at
to
school.
school. Very good. Also you can say of that means in spite of fever I went
to school.
to school. Next sentence I am going to ask of you. I think I shall ask of you and you will answer to me very perfectly. Is it right?
Yeah.
Very good. Means you will not have to be nervous, but mostly student when I ask with any student that time they are nervous, but that nervousing point you will not have to acquire in the mind while answering. You do not think of that means I am going to do to wrong. You always keep in the minds whatever things I am going to do, that I am going to do correct. Okay, then you will be able to increase your confidence level. Otherwise, if you think to negativity matter in the mind, then you will be discouraged and you will not be able to speak out of anything in your life. Understanding? Okay. Next sentence I am wanting to ask of you in your passive voice. Do you know?
Yeah.
Passive voice. Okay. It was to tell to me, I am playing a ball. This sentence you will have to change into passive voice. I am playing a ball. I am playing a ball. Okay.
ये ball. A ball is being played by me.
Very good. I am playing a ball. A ball is being played by me. Can you tell to me the structure of present in perfect tense?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
Subject plus am is are plus before plus object.
Okay. Can you tell me of this same structure into passive voice?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Object plus am is are plus being plus be3 plus
by plus subject. Subject. Okay. Means subject plus am is are before plus subject. Object plus am is are being be3 plus by plus subject. You can tell of that from very easily manners of any active structure into passive. Okay. Now I am going to ask of you next question. Okay. If any question will come in out of tense and that sentence you will have to change into active to passive, can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, then let you listen carefully. I must be teaching you.
You must be being taught by me.
Very good. Correct answer you have given me. I think your grammar is very best.
Yeah.
Next question I am going to ask of you in degree parts. Do you know how many kinds of degree?
There are 3 kinds of degree.
Okay, can you tell me name of that?
Yeah.
Okay, tell.
Positive degree,
comparative degree, yeah.
Comparative degree and superlative degree.
Very good. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, then you know how many kinds of narration?
Yeah.
How many kinds of narration?
There are 2 kinds of narration.
Can you tell me name of that?
Yeah.
Which?
Direct and indirect.
Direct or indirect. Correct answer. But if I shall give of you any sentence, direct narration, and I shall say of you, please just to convert of that in indirect. Can you do that?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Then listen carefully. Question I am going to have, you will have to answer to me. Okay. Yeah. He said to me. He said to me. What are you doing? He said to me, what are you doing? Understood of that question?
Yeah.
Who is speaking with who and who's about there is being discussed. About of that only you will have to find out. Okay. He said to me, what are you doing?
He asked me what I was doing.
Very good. Great answer and very great answer you have given to me. Next question I am going to have the front of you. Okay. Will you answer?
Yeah.
Order sentence do you know to convert into indirect? Order sentence. He said to me. He said to me. Come on the stage.
He ordered me to come on the stage.
Very good. Means in narration also you have not of any doubt.
Yeah.
Means you can solve of any question to very easily way. Then I am telling of you, I am going to ask of you some sentences more in Hindi. You will have to go to convert into English. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay. एक कौवा था.
There was a crow.
वह बहुत प्यासा था.
He was.
Okay. वह बहुत प्यासा था. He was
very thirsty.
Thirsty. He was very thirsty. एक दिन वह जंगल में घूम रहा था.
One day he was wandering in a forest.
In a forest. वह पानी खोज रहा था.
He was searching water.
But लेकिन उसे पानी नहीं मिला.
But he did not find water.
तो वह आसमान में उड़ा.
Then he
flew
away
in the sky. जब वह आसमान में उड़ने लगा.
When he was flying in the sky.
तो वह कुछ दूर में पृथ्वी पे एक घड़ा देखा. तो वह कुछ दूर में पृथ्वी पे एक घड़ा देखा.
Then he saw.
What saw?
Then he saw one pot on the earth.
In some distance. In some distance.
Yeah.
Means in some distance he saw a pot in the earth. उसके बाद वह धीरे धीरे नीचे आया.
After that he came slowly down.
और जब वह घड़ा के पास गया.
And when he went the near of pot,
तो वह घड़ा झांक कर देखा,
then he saw that pot
peeping,
peeping.
घड़ा में पानी कम था,
There was some water in the pot.
in the pot, पीना संभव नहीं था,
That it is not possible to drink.
ड्रिंक। उसने सोचने लगा,
He started to think
मैं पानी कैसे पीऊं,
how
how
to
drink
water.
उसने एक आइडिया सोचा
He thought one idea
और वह कंकड़ बिछना शुरू किया,
and he started to
पिक
pick people.
अप पीबल,
Yeah.
और वह घड़ा में डालने लगा,
He started to
पुट डाउन।
put down on the pot.
पानी का लेवल ऊपर आया,
The level of water came up
और कौवा आसानी से पानी पी लिया,
and the crow drinks water easily.
and the crow drank water easily. Means when I am asking of you these sentences, at that moment you will have to listen very carefully and you will have to answer to me very carefully. Understand?
Yeah.
But something also you are now mistaking, but that mistake you will have to remove from the mind. Okay? But you have answered me very excellent. You have not of any problem to anywhere. But please you try to make more experience ahead and ahead. Okay? But again I shall visit in my next video. For till then, bye bye. Thank you.